In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to customize your Shopify store using the actual enterprise theme. I will walk you through everything so that you can easily follow along and set up your store. Let's get started. So first things first, I actually created right here a in-person retail store. So if you have an enterprise theme, you can go over first on your online store. And then from in there, you should be able to find right here the theme that you're currently in. As you can see, I currently have the Horizon theme. Now, do take note that you can actually enjoy $1 for 3 months of Shopify. So you can just sign up on my link below in order to get this deal. From these themes, just scroll down. And then from in there, we have some suggested themes. Let's click on the list visit theme store option. And then from in there, it should be able to open your theme store. From this, click onto the search bar and then just type in here enterprise. We can see in here the enterprise theme. Head over and click on it. From in there, you can see the theme and how it looks like. We have in here the preview on their actual website, and we also have a preview of it in store. We have different example presets. We have digital, we have hack tip, we also have home options for this particular presets. So you can see right here the actual price for that, which is 380 US dollars. They offer unlimited free trials, so no worries on that. And it has very good positive reviews. For this, let's click onto this try theme. And then this will add the enterprise theme trial into your store. We just wait for this to be added. As you can see right here, enterprise has been successfully added. Now in here, you can see the enterprise option. So head over and click onto this customize option in order to customize this particular theme. So this is what the enterprise theme looks like. We have in here a really good header with this animated search options. We have filters and also you can actually navigate through your website's pages using this header. We have in here promotion, we also have in here a slideshow as well as collections, and also in here a scrolling banner that you can utilize, a countdown timer, as you can see they have built in that. We also have promo grid, and also in here some image banners. As you can see, Enterprise Team has a lot of features that you can incorporate to your store. So first things first, let's head over and then create a logo for our store. So on default, our store will be named My Store and its logo will be just the text. So for this case, let's head over and then create a logo. For this part, I actually recommend you to use Canva. You can use our link on the description below in order to get the best deals out of the Canva Pro. So just search in here for logo and you can see in here some templates that you can actually edit in order to incorporate your own theme. So for example, we have in here this warrior. Just head over and click on that. Click onto this customize this template and then this will open it into your actual Canva. So you can just edit in here the actual template that it has given us. First things first, let's rename it into Magic Incorporated or Unlimited. Now you can utilize the elements or you can also upload your predestined portrait here or pre-selected photo or graphics that you have. For this case, I just search for M and under this you can find some more options or pictures that you can actually incorporate. For this case, let's head over and choose in here this. Now this will be added just like this and then you can just have the option to remove some elements and edit it according to your liking. Let me head over and edit it. So I have formulated it to be like this. Once you're done, head over and click on the this share option. Click on the this download and then from there click on the this download button that we have actually added. Now in here on your Canva, you can also create your own product template. Aside from your logo, there's actually a lot more use for your Canva. Head over to your homepage and then from in there, you can just search in here for product templates. You can see in here some templates that you can utilize. So for example, let's choose in here this makeup category and click onto this customize this template. It will open the template and you can edit it again to your liking. You can edit the text added to this, and once you're done, head over and click onto the share, or you can also enable this post to social media. You can click on this download and click on this download button again. And as you can see, using Canva, we have actually created a logo and also a product showcase. Now, once it's been successfully downloaded, you can head back to your Shopify in order to add it to there. So let's head over right here to our store. You can click onto the header right here. And in here, you can choose in here the actual logo image. In here, click onto this default logo and click onto this select image option. Now in here, just upload the image that we have just downloaded earlier. Locate it from in here. And then once you have actually located it, you can click on open. Then after that, it will be uploaded. Wait for this to be processed. And then from in there, click on check and click on done. And it will replace the actual logo that we have right here. Now in here, you can also change the logo width. So for example, let's make it at around 50 pixels. Once you have done that, it will actually reflect the change that you have made from there. Don't forget to save your progress. Click on save option right there and save this. Now let's head over again to our store and then go over right here to our products. Now, if you're wondering what kind of product you would want, you may want to use product research tools like Minea. Head over to our description below and you should be able to find Minea. This is what Minea is. As you can see, they have ad spy for Facebook ads, Pinterest ads, as well as TikTok ads, in order to get all of the products that can actually potentially get you the winning click in order to boost your business. So on your actual Shopify, you can add the Minea and then add the product recommended by Minea itself. You can either do it manually by adding it one by one, or you can also import based on CSV file provided. They also have a download sample CSV in order to help you fill it up yourself. You can also import data from another platform. You can click onto this right here, add Minea. Now for this case, I'll head over and then upload a sample CSV. Just click onto this add file option and then locate the actual CSV. Once you got your CSV file, click onto this upload and then wait for the actual CSV added. You can see the actual option what it looks like. Click onto this import products and it may take some time for this to be successfully imported. Once it's done, you can find it right here on your products, but while it's importing, you also close this tab and wait for this or for them to be added. Now this is where the actual product showcase that we actually created on Canva will come earlier. So just wait for the actual products to be added right here and you should be able to. So now the products have been added. So for example, you can edit the product by clicking on their name, and then from there you can find the actual images added. Now for this, you can add the image that we generated from Canva by clicking on the plus icon. Then click onto this add media, and then add the image from Canva. Click on open. Then as you can see, this will be uploaded. Once it's done uploading, you can head over, click on the check and click on done. And you also have the option to rearrange it in order to add it or have it at, as the main picture on the first page. Once you're done with everything, you can save it already onto there. Now you can head back and you can see it onto your actual online store. So head over to your online store, scroll down, and then from in there you can see in your collections, timers, and just find the actual product page. You can also head over here to your home page, go to your product, and then go right here to the default product in order to see what this will look like. Having here this, as you can see, the actual product page, you have the option to add the cart, change the quantity, as well as change in here the payment methods. So speaking of payment methods, let's head over right here to our store and click on the settings option. Now, in order to set up how we're gonna get paid, so if you're planning a retail store in person, you can accept POS terminal store, or you can also accept deliveries for the actual products that you have. For that, head over to the payments option, and then on in here, you can just set up your PayPal. Click onto this PayPal option, and then set up by clicking on the It's setup. As you can see, the default connected account is your PayPal account or the email that you actually use to sign up with Shopify. So make sure that you have PayPal email. You can also go over to our description below in order to get some deals on PayPal based on. Now, from in here, you can also have the option to add another payment method. So you can search by payment method or by provider. For this, let's choose it Apple Pay. So there's a lot of countries that actually is Apple Pay. So you can head over and choose which one. For example, let's use for now. And you can choose in here the payment provider that you want. Do take note that the payment provider displayed on your screen will vary depending on your location. For example, for me, I'll choose in here this Hit Pay. Click on this. Then after that, head over and click onto this install option. And it will redirect you to your dashboard. So from there, just wait for this and then just accept the terms and condition in order to successfully install this payment provider. Click onto this option. And if you're excited to try HitPay, you can sign up to the HitPay website by going through our description link below, and you will have some deals based on. Another option that we can do is we can also provide a manual method that will be redirected from our POS. So for this, you can also choose in your manual payment methods plus and choose in here create a custom payment method. You can input right here the method name, the details, and payment instructions for those manual payment methods. Now the next thing on our agenda is personalizing our actual store brand. So doing that, you can go over right here to the domains. And in here you can notice that our domain name is a combination of letters and numbers and as well as some other special characters. This is not looking good, especially if you want to direct traffic from your website to your actual. What we can do is we can connect an existing domain or buy a new domain. So we can only connect an existing domain. So for that particular task, I actually recommend you to use Namecheap. So this is what Namecheap looks like. So for example, input right here, magic unlimited, and then input right here and click on this search option. So this will be our domain name, and Namecheap will suggest some domain extensions. So since our actual store is called Magic and Limited, we will click on the store, and it will give you some .com options, .net, as well as some other extensions that you can choose from. So the cheapest one is the .xyz option. However, I recommend you to use the .com option, that store option, since this is actually utilized per businesses that you. As you can see, the .store option is only $2.98 per year, and the .com option is only $1 per year. Click onto this add to cart option and then buy this particular domain and register it, and then add it right here to Shopify by clicking onto this connect. Just type in here the domain name. After that, click on next. And then from in there, just wait for this to actually initialize this. So you can actually head over and fix this or connect it into your store once you have successfully bought this particular domain for yourself. From in there, you can see here that the domain has been added. You can just log into the DNS management. On this case, it's Namecheap, and then add the existing values in order to add this particular store into your domain type. Now, your actual store will be redirected to that. It's actually been added. So I hope you learned a lot about our enterprise team tutorial. As you can see, enterprise team is good for business, be it retail, online, or in-person businesses such as yours. So if you learned a lot from this video, like, subscribe, and comment down on the comment section below. So much for watching.